Hello everyone, my name is Beth and I'm a librarian for the Davenport Public Library. Today I will be showing you a breakfast recipe that utilizes your air fryer. The veggie omelet cup recipe can be found in Healthy Air Fryer Cookbook, available at the Davenport Public Library, along with lots of other cookbooks. An air fryer is great in your kitchen. Not only can it quickly heat up frozen foods like chicken nuggets and french fries, but it can also reheat leftovers so that they taste like new. Today we're going to go beyond heating and reheating and make a recipe designed just for your air fryer. To make the veggie omelet cup, you will need a ramekin cup sprayed with non-stick cooking spray, 2 eggs, a couple tablespoons of veggies of your choice. Today I'll be using bell pepper and onion. You'll need about a tablespoon of shredded cheese and a dash of salt and pepper. Set your air fryer to 390 degrees and then set it to preheat. Meanwhile, whisk together the 2 eggs. Then you'll stir in the veggies and just the dash of salt and pepper. The egg mixture gets poured into the ramekin cup, and that goes into the air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes. When the time is up, sprinkle the shredded cheese on top and put it back in for another 2 minutes. During that time, the eggs will finish baking and the cheese will melt. After the cheese is melted, allow the ramekin cup to cool for about 5 minutes. It will be hot. You can either eat the omelet straight out of the cup or turn it out and serve it on a plate. You've got a nice, filling, single-serving breakfast to start your day. This recipe was modified from the recipe bell pepper and red onion omelet cups found in the Healthy Air Fryer Cookbook by Dana Angela White. This cookbook and many, many more are available at the Davenport Public Library. The library has cookbooks for all of your kitchen gadgets, including the Instant Pot, crock pot, air fryer, and about anything else you can think of. I highly recommend checking out the cookbook collection at the library. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.